Welcome back. We are going to start a live example by first creating a place for us to hold all of the elements that we're going to be using in the content piece that we're going to be creating. We're going to go to the Spaces tab. What we are then going to do is we are going to create a space. We're going to give the space a title. We're going to write in our description. For this space, we're going to choose a default AI model. And since we do have access to the Pro version, we're going to choose our model. We are going to use the GPT-4 model. We are going to provide custom instructions for the space. We're going to give our space an emoji, and we're then going to click Continue. Our space is now created. We're going to enter our space. Our space is now ready for us to begin adding content. We are going to do one more thing, and now we're going to make sure that our profile is now edited properly. So we're going to go to the Pro area, and we're going to edit our profile. We're going to go through the process of doing an introduction for our profile. I'm going to enter in our profile. We're going to write in our location. We're now going to click Save. We're now going to answer questions. We're going to screenshot the questions, and we're going to head to ChatGPT. We're going to ask for ChatGPT to help us with these questions. We're going to stop the process here, and we're going to pick it up from entering the content into the profile area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.